This is Lagos, the largest city in Africa with a booming economy and population exceeding 21 million. In response to its rapid growth, the Lagos state government initiated a comprehensive decision to enhance its transportation infrastructure. The Lagos state government flags off the construction of the Ojota-Opebi Link Bridge and Approach Road in January 2022. As an addition to the state existing road infrastructural project, this project is a 3.89-kilometer road which started from Ojota axis and will link straight to Opebi-Ojota-Maryland-Mende Road. The project, which is aimed to ease the burden of commuters and decongest traffic in Ikeja axis and Ikorodu Road by providing a direct link between Opebi-Mende, Maryland and Ojota to Ikorodu Road, reducing perennial gridlock on Mobbalaji-Bank-Anthony Way and setting precedent for Ojota commuters to link the third mainland bridge. This is a massive construction as there are construction works at every corner of the bridge. Firstly, we have two bridge construction beside the existing Oyalaro Bridge. One of the bridge will be connecting commuters coming from Ojota, K2 Ikorodu axis of Lagos State to Opebi-Ikeja, and the other bridge will connect commuters coming from Opebi-Ikeja through under the existing Oyalaro Bridge to this bridge, which will link commuters straight to Ojota Ikorodu Road easily. This bridge also comprises of a rounded section which will allow motorists coming from Ikeja to make a decision of going towards Ojota or Maryland or go back to Ikeja without getting to the Oyalaro Bridge. The Ojota-Opebi-Mende Link Bridge project embodies the commitment of revolutionizing transportation in Lagos State. This project will transform the state landscape, reduce commuting time, enhancing the lives of residents, and fulfilling the state plan for a better connected Lagos. The project, which aligns with the state commitment to improve transportation and manage traffic effectively, this bridge will provide alternative routes and ease traffic congestion on key routes. This road project is an addition to other road projects that are currently under construction in Lagos State, with direct connection and reduced travel time, especially between Ikeja and Ikorodu Road. The Ojota-Opebi Link Bridge is set to increase accessibility, resulting to economic growth. As we all know that there is no direct link between Opebi and Ojota, this will open up new areas, businesses, and also increase easy flow of goods and services. The construction of the Opebi-Ojota Link Bridge and Approach Road will ease traffic congestion in Ikeja and its neighborhood. This construction, which was tagged a legacy project, is an innovative solution to perennial gridlock along Opebi-Mobbalaji-Bank-Anthony Way and Ojota-Mende corridor. The project will help to reduce travel time for Lagos and Ikorodu bound traffic from Opebi and ease traffic gridlock in Opebi-Sharaton Link Road and Mobbalaji-Bank-Anthony Way. The first pillar of the state team agenda is traffic management and transportation, which is the state vision, ensuring seamless intermodal integrated transportation system. This is why this infrastructure goes beyond transportation, but will serve as a catalyst for economic growth, connecting communities together, reducing travel time, and enhancing the quality of lives. This project is another milestone in the implementation of the traffic management and transportation pillar of the state and the state strategic transport master plan. The project will connect two different area councils together, which will enhance the livelihood of residents. The Opebi-Mende Link Bridge project is not just a mere project, but an amazing masterpiece, which will beautify the city, help commuters to connect different areas of the state together, reduce travel time, and eradicate traffic in this area. With this great innovation in the state, this is a clear indication that the Lagos state government are still in the business of making commuting within the state a stressless one and making our roads traffic-free. With beautiful implementations such as the Blue Line, the Red Line, interchange bridges, and so on, it was known that the present administration is committed to a traffic-free state, which will in turn reduce travel time. This is a vital infrastructural project and progress in this area, which will help to enhance connectivity within the state and also create a seamless means of transportation for Lagosians and its residents. With the implementation of the Opebi Link Bridge, this will help to eradicate traffic jam, provide more space for motorists to navigate the state, ensure easy flow of goods and services from one part of the state to another, and also increase the standard of living in this area.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you, remembering the holiday party we had with the crew. each